Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you the deals that I grabbed at Walgreens this week. I was able to get all of these items for just $3. That includes an in-store purchase as well as 2 different buy online, pick up in-store transactions. I will tell you the specific breakdown on these items here in just a second. If you have not had a chance to check out my CVS video that I posted yesterday and you enjoy CVS shopping, you definitely want to check that out. I will post the link to that video in the description box below. Also, one last thing, look how adorable this mug is. So my sweet baby boy got me this mug, actually made me this mug for my Christmas gift, combining 2 of my favorite things, saving and coffee. So I just had to brag on him for a minute. Okay, let's get into the breakdown of these deals. First off, this one is super simple and I thought it was a great price. These are on sale, 2 for $4, but they're also on promotion for buy one, get one half off. So I was able to get 2 peanut butters for just $3 or $1.50 each. So I thought that was a really great price on the Jif peanut butter. The next deal I'm going to tell you about, I actually did as a buy online, pick up in store. I'm first going to tell you how to do it as an in-store purchase. Then I'll tell you how it broke down as a buy online, pick up in store purchase. So this week, Revlon products are buy 2, get $3 in Walgreens cash back. Well, I saw these Revlon nail files were the cheapest item that qualified for that promotion. They are $1.69 each. So when you buy 2, that's $3.38, but you'll get $3 in Walgreens cash back, making them just 38 cents for both or 19 cents each. However, if you do this as an online deal, you can save even more. So let me tell you about the Gillette first, and then I'll tell you how to save even more with an online deal. So the Gillette Shave Gel is buy one, get one half off. And when you buy 2, you'll get $4 in Walgreens cash back. I had some coupons, digital coupons clipped to my card that I was playing with. So let me tell you the deal I did. I bought this one here for $5.29. There was a $2 coupon attaching to this one. I got the second one, it was just over $3, so it came out to $1.74 with the half off. So buy one at full price, get one half off. The $2 digital came off for this, the $1 digital came off for this. So I paid $4.03 and I got $4 in Walgreens cash back, making it just 3 cents for both of these. Now, if you do this as a buy online, pick up in store deal, you can use the code TRYAGAIN1. And when I did that, I saved an additional 51 cents. So my total before tax was $6.90 and I earned $7.10 back in Walgreens cash. The 4 for the Gillette, the 3 for the Revlon, making me just pay tax for those items. So a great deal, regardless of whether you do it in store or if you choose to do buy online, pick up in store, you save a little bit more. The last deal I'm going to tell you about is on the Listerine. Of course, you can do this in the store, but again, you'll save a little bit more money if you do it as a buy online, pick up in store. The Listerine has a couple different promotions going on right now. The first one is when you spend $10, you get $5 back in Walgreens cash. And then there is a Johnson & Johnson rebate, and I've included the link to that rebate in the Google Doc that you can find in the video description below. But the Johnson & Johnson rebate is when you spend $25, you get $10 back in a gift card. So let me tell you the exact breakdown. I grabbed 5 of these Listerine products at $6.29 each for a total of $31.45. Now, I had a coupon code for a buy online, pick up in store, or curbside purchase. That coupon code was free20. It took off 20%. So that took off $6.29. So I paid a total of $25.16 for all 5 of these. Now, I did pay out of pocket for that. I did not use any Walgreens cash to pay because I was submitting it for the Johnson & Johnson rebate. So the Johnson & Johnson rebate will give me $10 back for spending $25 in qualifying purchases. You go to the link that I've included in the video description below. When you click on that, it takes you to where you can submit for your rebate. It's super simple. You enter your name, your address, your email address, and then you upload a picture of your receipt. And it says you'll hear back from them within 2 to 5 days. Now that rebate is only good through the end of the year, this year, so make sure you do that soon if you're planning to take advantage of that rebate. The next thing I got back was the $15 in Walgreens cash for spending $30 in Listerine products. Because remember, it's spend 10, get $5 back. So after my coupon code, I paid $25.16. I got $15 back in Walgreens cash. I got $10 back for the Johnson & Johnson rebate, making it just 16 cents for all 5 of these Listerines. So awesome deal, especially if you love Listerine products or you're buying them to give to family members or donate to a nonprofit. So that was all the deals that I grabbed this week at Walgreens. I am loving the curbside option. It makes it so simple to do my shopping. The only downside is you run the risk of the items not being available when you place your order. So as you can see, I grabbed a few different kinds of Listerine because I didn't want to buy 5 of one type and then those not be available when they went to pull my order. So I try to mix it up a little bit, making it a better shot of these items being in stock when they go to fulfill my order. If you guys have any questions about any of these deals that I've done today, please don't hesitate to drop me a comment in the comment section below. Hope y'all are having a great start to your week. Thanks.